and welcome to Blockbuster review on Prudent Media. My name is Sachin Chatte and on this program we take a look at the latest releases. Today we will take a look at the film that is streaming on Sony Live. It's called TohTiAniFuji. It's a Marathi film. Directed by Mohit Takalkar and written by Iravati Karnik, TohTiAniFuji explores a turbulent relationship set against the backdrop of Japan. Mount Fuji may be dormant, but the relationship between To means he, which is played by Lalit Prabhakar, and Ti, which means she, played by Mrinmay Godbole, is anything but constantly simmering, erupting, and impossible to ignore. Their flawed bond is ever present, visible from every angle, much like the iconic volcano. The film joins the familiar space, stories of relationships that turn toxic, yet remain inescapable for those involved. Told in a non-linear fashion, the narrative unfolds in Tokyo where To and Ti cross paths again years after drifting apart. Ti, that is she, now lives there with her son, though the identity of her father remains unclear at first. Despite their troubled past, the two find themselves drawn back to each other. What follows is a gradual rekindling of something that may resemble romance or perhaps just emotional dependency. Through a series of flashbacks, we see how a once affectionate relationship deteriorated into something deeply toxic, reaching a point of no return. Though that is the man, he is a deeply flawed individual carrying unresolved issues with his father and seemingly with the world at large. His volatility is evident even in trivial matters, where the onions should be chopped or sliced becomes enough to trigger an outburst. Yet despite his flaws and occasional cruelty, his love for her is undeniable. She, for her part, is equally attached, if not more giving. Both remain blinded by their emotions, unable or unwilling to recognize the damage they inflict on each other. Sometimes love is not blind, it just chooses not to see. A standout moment arrives towards the end. An intense no-holds-barred argument between the two, shot in a single take, lasts well over 10 minutes. This sequence is a testament to Karnik's sharp writing and Takalkar's assured direction, brought vividly to life by two exceptional performances. It not only highlights the emotional depth of the story, but also showcases its powerful cinematic translation. What makes the film compelling is that despite their flaws, you empathize with both the characters. You hope they might find some middle ground, though the film remains honest about the unpredictability of real-life relationships. Notably, for a Marathi film or any Indian film for that matter, it also pushes boundaries in its depiction of sexuality, an area often treated as taboo in Indian cinema. The restrained use of music further enhances the experience, allowing emotions to emerge organically rather than being imposed. Complementing Karnik's writing and Takalkar's direction is the impressive cinematography by Rahul Chauhan and John Donica. Ultimately, what lingers is the chemistry between the leads. Lalit Prabhakar effortlessly shifts between vulnerability and volatility, while Mrinmay Godbole delivers a consistently pitch-perfect performance. TohTiAniFuji is a testament that love doesn't always heal. Sometimes, like a dormant volcano, it simply waits for the next eruption. I'm going to go with 3.5 out of 5 stars for this new Marathi film called TohTiAniFuji, which is streaming on Sony Live. Well, that's what I thought of the film that was released this week. Do let us know what you think, and I'll be back with you next week with more movie reviews. Till then, it's goodbye from me.